how to use Hula app AI video generator. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So basically, this is an AI generation platform and you can create various pictures and videos however you want, such as 3D cartoons, anime, action figures, etc. using this single application. Now when you open this application, you'll be redirected to the Discover section and you can simply search through and you can select any one that you want, such as camera motion, AI packs, action figures, stickers, even AI video, anime action videos. So you can simply select any one that you like, simply click on it and upload any reference photo or video, and then Hula will do the work for you. So then here we have stickers. If you want any kind of stickers, so you can simply select the stickers such as cartoon, 3D stickers, etc. So you can simply select anyone that you want and you can convert them. Then we have the various packs over here that you can use in order to create your AI videos or images. And then we have video over here. So there are different types of videos that you can make, such as anime video styles, make your own work of AI art, hairstyles, anime video styles, etc. So you can simply use the one that you like. So here the one that is really trending right now is the nano people one. So you can simply choose whichever you want. So I'm going to go with, let's say, this over here, that is the nano people. So I'm going to click on it. Now it says from one pic to a viral video. All what you got to do is simply click on this and select any picture, upload any picture from your gallery, and then they're going to generate a video out of the picture, such as, there are nano people, they're creating the picture, they're creating this boot over here. So you can simply click on generate and generate the video, and that's it. So that's basically how you can use Hula app AI video generator. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.